What's going on, guys? Welcome back to DriveHub, and in today's video we're going to make it so you can actually see what's behind you when you're backing up in your C6 Corvette. And we're going to do it by installing the brightest reverse lights available. So backing up a C6 Corvette at night is basically the same as backing up a car while not even looking behind you, or like backing up a car wearing a blindfold. The factory C6 reverse lights are about as pathetic as I was trying to play sports in high school. And it really doesn't help when you have tinted windows that are probably not even legal. So to fix this, we're installing the brightest reverse lights available for the C6 Corvette. These are SharpLight Innovations 80-watt Cree LED reverse lights. So we're going to get these in the car. They're plug and play. They're supposed to install in minutes, and you don't need any tools. All right, so this is going to be absolutely pathetic, me trying to show you how to do this. But basically, your reverse light's right here, and all you have to do is reach up underneath, not all the way back here because you can't get under there, but between the exhaust pipe, the exhaust tip, whatever you want to call it, you can get your hand up and access this area. So I'm going to actually take the other camera because it's a little bit easier to show you. Basically, right there is your reverse lights. So all you have to do, get it out of its housing. Come on now. Pull it out like that. Pull the bulb straight out of its socket. A lot easier than it looks, especially when you can only fit one hand up there. So there's the first bulb. So now all we have to do is take the LED bulb, press it in the socket the same way that this one came out, and then put the socket back in its housing. All right, guys, so the passenger side is in and working properly. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing for the driver's side. All right, guys, so now the LED reverse lights are in, and man, what a difference. Now you can actually see what you're looking at when you're backing up with your C6 Corvette, and the C6 finally looks like it came from this century. So again, I'll include a link to these SharpLight Innovations LED reverse lights down in the description below so you can check them out. These will only take you 10-15 minutes aside to install, if that, and you don't need any tools, it's just plug and play. So again, a massive shout out to George from SharpLight Innovations for sending these out. Be sure to check out sharplightinnovations.com. Tell him Jake from DriveHub sent you. But that's it for me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy motoring.